In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rod ends on this BMW 550i. This is going to be located behind the front wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. And before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on. Take that off, and grab the wheel and slide it off. I'm going to loosen up this jam nut, use a 15/16 wrench or a 24mm. Just loosen that up. That's good right there. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to take this nut off. Take that off. Now you're going to separate the tie rod from the knuckle. If it doesn't come off that easy, you can use a special tie rod tool to pop that off, or front end tool. Now we're going to count the threads when we take this off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21. Write that number down somewhere. I'm going to take the tapered washer. It's going to go on first, then the tie rod, and we're going to count the threads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We wrote down 21. That jam nut down. We'll tighten that later. Take the tie rod, get the stud into the knuckle. And I'll put the nut on. Using the pull jack, just going to put a little bit of pressure under the tie rod just to keep the stud from spinning. That's good. And I'll snug this down. Now we're going to torque this nut to 30 foot-pounds. And then you want to go an additional 90 degrees. That's good. And lower the pull jack. And tighten the jam nut. And if you can get a torque wrench on here, you want to torque that to 37 foot-pounds. That's good. Now install the wheel. Line it up with the holes. And just take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down, get the other one started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 98 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.